Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. So the reason you probably click this video is because you want to add a bloom effect on your project and you couldn't find it in the normal position where it used to be. Well, Blender decided to move it and make it a bit difficult. It's no longer a easy click anymore. It's now something you have to, walk through. So let me show you. Let me just do a vertical split right here. It's now in the compositor. So as I've split this, I'm just going to go down to the compositor. And what we're going to do here now is to click this, make sure this use node is on, and it will show you, your stuff. So it will show you this node tree in case your own is not showing actually before the use node. So that's what I'm saying. So now you're going to say Shift A and search for bloom. It's already here for me because I've used this previously, so it's already here. But if it's not here, just search bloom and you'll be able to see bloom, and just place it in between this this node and this other one. So let me just hide this. And if you come over here now, nothing is actually happening. Let me just, okay, the reason why is because I haven't done the shader. So new, now come over emission, just increase this to let me give you a strength of 5. Okay, 5 we do. So as you can see, there's nothing happening as well. There's nothing happening, but the only way it can happen is if you come down, click this button down here, and this place they say compositor, yours will be in disabled. So just move it to camera. If you move it to camera, you won't be able to see the effect. You only can see it through the eyes of the camera. So if I say view camera, you can see what I'm saying. Then if I go over to so that is the only way you can. But if you want to see it outside, so you can say always, meaning even if you're outside it, you can still see what you can see around outside the camera and inside the camera. So I like keeping mine in camera view only actually. So apart from that, now I think there's other things you can now do. So apart from just the bloom, you can now change this to ghost. Sorry, let me go over to view camera. You can change this to ghost, you can change it to streaks, you can change it to fog glow, you can change it to simple star. So there are a lot, and this is the strength level where you can increase and decrease your strength level. So I think this is kind of preferable than the previous though. But anyway, that is how you make your bloom effects now in Blender 4.5.